installing and configuring adapter cards. Regardless of the type of card you might install, be sure to verify and do the following suggested steps when preparing to install one. Firstly, verify that the card fits an empty expansion slot. Remember that there are slot standards, therefore you must make sure the card you want to install will be compatible with the slots that come with your motherboard. Next, verify that the device drivers for your operating system are. For example, the card's driver version must match the operating system version of the system you are installing the card. In other words, you must install a 64-bit Windows 10 device driver to a 64-bit installation of Windows 10. Next, backup important data that is not already backed up. This must happen before you even open the computer case for unforeseen mistakes that might cause data loss. Next, know your starting point. This means you must know what is working or not working before you make a new installation. Next, wear an ESD strap as you work to protect the card and the system against ESD. Next, locate the slot you planned to use and remove the faceplate cover from the slot if one is installed. Next, remove the card from its anti-static bag and insert it into the expansion slot. Next, insert the screw that anchors the card to the top of the slot. Next, connect any power cords or data cables the card might use. Next, make a quick check of all connections and cables and then replace the case cover. Next, start the system. Next, insert the CD that came bundled with the card and launch the setup program on the CD. Next, after the drivers are installed, you might be asked to restart the system. Virtually every computing device today comes with 4 critical components for capturing and outputting sound. A sound card or sound device built into the motherboard, speakers, microphone and recording or playback software. Most motherboards come with onboard sound chips. As with USB, many motherboards have a port for connecting to audio jacks on the front of the case. These enable you to plug headphones or microphones into the front rather than the rear of the case. A very convenient feature. These connectors are identical to the ones used on sound cards. For most laptops, you can remove a cover on the bottom to expose expansion cards so that you can exchange them without an extensive disassemble. In the picture, you can see the location where a wireless card has to be fitted and where the screws have to go. After you have installed the card, try to connect the laptop to the wireless network. If there are complications, use Device Manager to verify if the device is working properly and see if Event Viewer has not reported error event about the card you have just installed.